Montana Wyman, also known as Tana Rain, is an American model, Instagram star, TikTok star, and OnlyFans star. He is known for uploading photos and videos on social media. Tana Rain started her career by creating an Instagram account in 2013. She started sharing photos with her best poses. After that, he regularly shared photos of models wearing sexy clothes such as bikinis and lingerie. He managed to attract the attention of many people and gain many followers on his Instagram. Not only that, he was also contracted as a model by several brands to promote them on their social media accounts. He also created a TikTok account. He shares interesting videos such as dancing, lip sync, modeling, and many more. Her net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million, which she earned from her modeling profession. He also earns from advertising and brand promotions.